Smartlock setting, SJ-8 face recognition. Enter setting by pressing asterisk then hash. Now enter your administrator password then hash.
1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4. System
Select
query.
1 add user.
1. Add administrator
Select 2
user.
regular
Add
user.
regular user. Please enter
Here you
unlock
can start.
information.
Enter your user password 6 to 9 digit.
Input again. User 010 success.
Continue register.
Enter.
New
Press the
fingerprint.
asterisk key to return. Please capture a frontal face. Press again. Press again. Press again. User 011 success. Can continuous enter. Press the
Don't forget to
asterisk key to
register
return.
your access
Please
card.
capture a frontal face. User 012 success. Can continuous enter. Press the asterisk key to return. Please capture a
Lastly,
frontal face.
register the face recognition. Just follow the prompt
Cover
instruction.
your head. Please tilt your face towards the right side. Please tilt your face
Now
towards
you
the left
already
side.
can use your password, fingerprint, card, and Face ID.
Please
Enter
verify
setting
your
by
face.
pressing asterisk then hash. Now enter your administrator password then hash.
Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4.
Select
System
3
query.
system setting.
1. Visit time setting. 2. Installation
Select
setting.
3 again,
3.
function setting.
4. Factory reset. 1. Network
Select 1
configuration.
network
And
configuration. Make sure you install the Tuya Smart application available on Android and iOS. Create account, then go to Add device. Scroll until you find camera and lock. Choose lock Wi-Fi. Easy mode.
Success.
Done.
1. Network configuration. 2. Volume. High.
Let's
3.
try our
Authentication.
doorbell. We can directly open the smart lock through the apps.
Welcome home.
Thank you for watching.